So hello everyone, this is our second video lecture of the AutoCAD series. In this video, we are going to learn about the draw tools, that is line, polyline, circle and arc. So let's start a new workspace. I have already discussed in our previous lecture, that is to turn off the grid lines, you just click on this, okay? And to turn on or off ortho, you can click on this ortho or press F8 or function key number 8 in your PC or laptop. In this video, we are going to learn about line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle and polygon. So let's start with a line. To draw a line, as we have already discussed, we can activate any command in two ways. One, by clicking on that command icon, or just type the shortcut key. I have already provided the shortcut key of AutoCAD in PDF format in your account. You can check it and try to remember all the shortcut key. Along with practice the drawing, you can see and this will automatically memorized. Okay, so just cross it over all the other drawings and we will start a new and a fresh drawing. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, we will learn about the units, means drawing unit in our upcoming lectures, or after 2 or 3 lectures we will start a real project. In this we are going to learn about the draw commands, okay, that is line, polyline, circle, arc and rectangles, ellipse. So let's start with line. To activate a line, you can just click L in your keypad and press enter. Line command will be activated. This is asking for the first point of the line command, okay? So just click anywhere in your workspace and draw a line. To draw a perpendicular line that is in x-axis and y-axis only, you just click on function key number 8 or F8 button, or just click this ortho icon, okay, and draw a line. You can see I have drawn a line. Okay, now line can be drawn in other ways also. Just for example, if I want to draw a line which is at the angle of 45 degree to this line, okay, at the angle of 45 degree means I want to draw a line which is at the angle of 45 degree from this corner point of this line. Okay, so I have to do nothing, just click on L, enter. So just left click on this and roll over your mouse to that side in which you want to draw the line. Okay, and press tab button. When you press tab button, it will automatically switch to the angle, okay, in degrees. So just press or type the angle you want to draw. If I want to draw a line at the angle of 60 degree, then I just write 60. Automatically it will be in degrees and just press enter. A line will be drawn 60 degree, okay, to this line. And if you want to measure the angle, so just click on this icon in annotate. You see this, and in the angular dimension, and select the first line and then click on second line. The angle will be shown you. Okay, this angle is how much? 60 degree. Now you have learned how we can draw a line in two different ways. Okay, just revise once again. If you want to draw a line, just press L, enter. You can draw a line anywhere. Okay, if you turn on the ortho mode, you can just draw a line in x and y direction. Okay, if you want to draw a line at the angle, any angle from any specific point, you just click the activate the line command and click on that specific point and press tab to switch in between the angle and type the angle and just click enter. Okay, your line will be drawn. If you want to draw a line of just say this is my reference line. If I want to draw a line from this specific point to the angle of 60 degree and line of 10 millimeters, say, okay, so just click on that point. First you have to type 10 in first box and then click tab and then uh, angle means 60 degree, enter. Okay, this is of the 10 millimeter and angle is 60 degree. If you want to measure the angle, just click on this icon, angular dimension, first line, second line, and okay, 60 degree. So now we are able to draw a line in two different ways. Okay, and now we will understand what is polyline. In line command we have seen that if we draw a line, then these lines are not interconnected. Okay, if we select on this line, this will be selected separately, separate and separate. Okay, but we click on polyline, all lines are interconnected. Okay, anywhere we click, all the lines will be selected because this is in polyline. So what is the use of polyline? Okay, if you want to design a gate, so just click on polyline, start point. I am not taking exact dimensions here, just I am uh, providing the shape. Okay, so just click on polyline, start point, and click here. Okay, and if you want to draw arch gate, means on the top of the gate there is a arc, then you can see in the polyline command in the command panel there is a arc option. Okay, so just click on this arc or a enter. You can activate arc command in two different ways. Okay, first on click on this arc, or you can just type a enter, the arc will be created. So just this, and again you want to draw a line, then L enter. Here is the line now, then L enter, line will be activated, and just click here. Okay, for the frame of the door you want to offset, this means for 50 mm offset, so you can offset means just type O enter, specify the first point, type the distance means 50 or say anything, means this much. Okay, and click the object and this one. Okay, the the door will be offset. Okay, so in this way you can use polyline, and this will be selected. If you click anywhere on this, all will be selected. Okay, in polyline command there is one more tool. If you click on polyline draw, okay, this is line command. We have already seen the arc now. If you click on arc, then arc will be created, and again if you click on the line, then line will be created. Half width, length, and if you type on the length of the line will be, okay, means 20, enter. Okay, if you want click on the close, then the line will be closed. Okay, just click on close, the last point and the first point will be automatically closed. Then do nothing, just type C enter. As you can see, the last point and the first point will be automatically closed. Okay, so these are the features of polyline, and the further more features of the polyline we will see in the upcoming lectures when we start a real project. Okay, and now coming to the circle, this is the circle command now. Circle command again activated in two different ways. Just type C enter, specify the center point, then just click anywhere and specify the radius. Just type the radius as 100, enter. The circle of radius 100 millimeter is created. Okay, again in circle there are so many points, as you have already studied in ninth standard mathematics. There are many circle. Okay, many types of circle we can draw, means sorry, many types of method by which a circle can be drawn. Okay, so center and diameter, 2 point circle. If you click on 2 point circle, then AutoCAD will ask the first point and second point. As you can see, first point and second point means this is the diameter. If you click on 200, sorry, yes, 200, then same circle will be created. Okay, if you click on move command, select the center of this and just paste over the center of this circle. Both circle are same. Okay, but this is drawn by the 2 point method and this is drawn by the radius method. Okay, 3 point means if AutoCAD will ask you for 3 point. Okay, and third point. Okay, so in this circle, in this way you can draw a circle. Okay, and this is arc you have already seen in the polyline, but you can also draw arc in many different ways. Here you can just see the 3 point arc, means to draw arc you have to select 3 point, first point, second point, and third point. You can just see this way. Okay, if you want to draw another arc, means there are so many types of arc you can draw as per your convenience in the drawing. Okay, and same stands for the rectangle. To draw a rectangle, just click on this. You can click the first and second corner. If you want to draw a rectangle of length and width, then just click on rectangle or type the command REC, rectangle, enter, first corner point, and now you have to type at the rate, at the rate, first length will be 100, comma, breadth will be 200, enter. You can see here is the rectangle of length and breadth of 100 and 200. Okay, you can see there is the 100 and this one is 200. Okay, what we have told you, that click on rectangle, just click specify any first point, type at the rate, type the length, or first will be the width 200 comma 100, enter. Okay, if you want to smoothen the corner point, then you have to again go to means fillet this. Okay, there is the fillet command we will discuss in the next lecture. To the modify, just click on fillet, first one and the second one, and type the radius r, enter, 20, enter, first, sorry, first and second. The corner will be smoothened or rounded off. Okay, so we will discuss this command in the next video. We have seen in this video how to draw line in two different ways. What is the use of polyline, what is the use of circle, and how you can draw a circle in two or three different ways. What is the use of arc, and how we can draw an arc. We will discuss about arc in our upcoming lectures in detail, because arc and circle is very important for our civil drawing. Okay, or architectural drawing. In this we can draw a rectangle, and polygon is same. Just click on polygon, define the sides of polygon. Means if you define 10 side of polygon, click enter, and you have to describe circumscribe or inscribe. Just click circumscribed. Okay, means and circle can be drawn outside of this. You can also check. For this we have to find the center point of this circle. Click on this center point and draw an circle. Okay, a circle can be drawn, means this figure can be inscribed in the circle. Okay, in this video we have learned about line, polyline, circle, arc, polygon and rectangle. So we will end the video here. In our next video we will discuss about modify command, and after discussing modify command, from our next video we will start our real project, that is starting a two-story building from scratch. That is how we can set the unit, in which unit we want to draw, in which unit we are going to work upon, how we can make a block for the convenience, how we can define layers, what are the different type of layer, how we can change the layer property. We will discuss in detail. Okay, as you can see there are so many things to study, so we will discuss in detail. And you can just download your AutoCAD shortcut command PDF and just memorize it. Try to memorize it. So we are going to end our video here. We will discuss the more in detail in our coming lectures. Okay, so thank you guys.